2 hands.
Hey, cool, Daddy.
Pretty cool. Haley's turn.
Haley, hit the ball.
Good job.
Another one.
That's a yellow ball.
Another one. A yellow ball.
Another one.
A yellow ball. And pirouette. And side step. This side. And side step. And down. And up. And push. Uh-oh. What do we got there? Nice. Very good. Now, the jackal. Like this. And now we all fall down. Dance, happy dance. Happy dance. Happy dance. Octopus. 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 Let's use all the words you learned today. 1, 2, 3. Happy dance has an octopus. 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 Ollie dance. Ollie dance. Octopus. Octopus. Ollie dance. Ollie dance. Octopus. Woo! Raise your hands in the air like you don't care. I care too. Yay!
What color's the snow, Haley?
White.
Whoa, look at all that snow.
Look at the waters.
What waters?
Look at the water in the bowls.
The waters in the balls?
Yeah.
I don't see water.
Water in the
How about Josh will make an E?
E for the... Can I make an E? Ready?
Josh can make
E's
E.
easy. E we like to start over here in New York. And then we go over here to Pennsylvania. And then we go down here to New Jersey. And then we go over here to Maryland. And then we go back to New Jersey. And then we go down to Delaware. And then we go across to the ocean, Atlantic Ocean. And there's an E. Very simple. Follow my instructions. And you'll draw a perfect E every time. Say it back.
Look at the E.
Can you do an E? Let's trace the E. Oh, you're good.
The H.
That's actually a T.
Daddy will make you mommy.
You want to draw mommy? You got some ink on your cheek? What do you want?
From the mommy.
You want me to write mommy or draw mommy?
The mommy.
Draw mommy. Okay, let's see. Yeah.
What's that?
That's mommy's eyes.
The mommy's eyes.
Yeah. You want to see mommy?
Let's see a picture of what Mommy looks like in Daddy's eyes. Wow.